Okay, students, today we are going to study about 6 simple machines. First, we will study about screw jack. We already studied in the lower classes. There are 6 simple machines. So let's check and see those. Now you can see here, you have studied about the inclined plane, screw, wedge, lever, pulley, wheel and the axle are 6 simple machines used to lift the heavy load with less effort. Now this 6 simple machines is helpful for doing for the work to be done very fast. So the first one will study about the screw jack. We have here a screw jack. You already know when we drive a car and if one of the tire gets punctured, we have to replace that. Now one person with the help of any machine only can replace the wheel of this car, otherwise it is not possible. So this is a screw jack where it can load. Suppose this load is, we assume that this is a load drum where a heavy load is lifted with less effort. So the first one will keep at 1000 gram as a load. This 1000 gram, we will keep 1000 gram first on this load drum. Effort I will apply. Now effort you can see here, it's 50 gram each. 50 plus 50, 100. I added 20 plus 5 gram. So 125 on each side. Another 125 on the other side, and let's check the effort. 125 plus 125 become 250 is lifted by the effort of 1000 gram. Yes, you can see here the effort is 250 gram can use to lift the load of 1000 gram. Now we'll note down in the observation table. So this is the observation table here. Diameter of this drum is given as 184 millimeter, and we have pitch of the screw is around 3 mm. Now load I applied first for 1000 gram. The effort in the second column I got 250 gram. Now the mechanical advantage is load upon effort. 1000 upon 250, it becomes 4. Velocity ratio is pi into d, diameter, divided by the pitch. Here P is the pitch here, and we get the 3 mm. So the value I am getting here 192.58. Now this value is a constant value, so you can write in all these columns. Now I will take the weight as 1500 gram and see what is the effort applied. So 1500 gram, here I just increase the effort by 10, adding 5 gram more. Okay, now I added the effort on one side is 50 plus 50, 100 plus 20 plus 10, 130 on each side, so it becomes 260 gram for 1500 grams. See this, you can get the value here. 260 gram can lift the load of 1500 gram. So here we can note down in the observation again. So here in the second reading in 260 gram, you will get the effort, this mechanical advantage 5.769, and you can calculate the efficiency. In the first case I got the efficiency mechanical advantage divided by velocity ratio into 100, I got 2.07. then I got 2.99. Let's take 2000 gram and find out what is the effort applied. So this is the 200,000 gram. Now in the effort I'll add 5 gram on both the side and check it. Earlier it was 130 on each side. So here 50 plus 100 plus 20, 120, 130, 135 on each side. So 135 and 135 other, that becomes 270 for 2000 gram. So again here the effort applied is 270 gram for 2500. It is, the effort is sufficient to raise this. Okay, now in the fourth reading we'll add 500 more. So here I got the value here. For 2000 I am getting 270 gram as the effort, and the 7.407 is the mechanical advantage. Efficiency is 3.84. So here is the value. Now goes to the last value 2500. Let's check for 2500. I will increase the effort by 5 grams on both the sides. Instead of this, I'll take the okay, now I applied the effort here is, I'll show you 50, 50, 100, 20 plus 20. It becomes 140 on each side. So 140 plus 140, it becomes 280. Let's check. So here you can get 280 gram is sufficient to lift the load of 2500 gram. See how the effort is less, the load is more, but it can be lifted. So in this way, we have taken the 4 readings. You can take more readings. We'll note down the last observation in this. 2500 was the load, 280 was the effort applied. I got the value mechanical advantage 8.928 and efficiency is 4.6. So in this way, you can see that the efficiency is less than 50%. That means it is a non-reversible machine. The screw jack is a non-reversible machine, and in this way we can find out the mechanical advantage and velocity ratio and efficiency. Now to draw the graph load versus effort, where you can able to prove the law of machine P is equal to mw plus c. You will get c at the intercept of x-axis, m will be the slope. So in this way we have found out the mechanical advantages of a screw jack. So I hope you understood this experiment. Thank you.